Mga toto, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, Petsa 26, 17 to 38 na east-northeast, 8 to 9 feet. Bukas Biyernes, Petsa 27, 18 to 36 na northeast, 7 feet. Sa Sabado, Petsa 28, 25 to 47 na northeast, 7 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 29, Linggo. 45 to 65 na northeast, 10 to 13 feet. Yung 13 feet niya sa tanghali mag-umpisa hanggang gabi. Petsa 30, Lunes. 30 to 56 na northeast, 9 to 12 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi pa. Petsa 31, Martes. 21 to 40 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 1, Miyerkules. 18 to 37 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 2, Huwebes. 15 to 37 na northeast, 7 feet. Petsa 3, Biyernes. 15 to 32 na northeast, 7 feet. At Petsa 4, Sabado. 30 to 58 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Nakopya mi ko may dos dyan sa 15-1 po. Sige, ingat mi kong may dos sa advance sa pinyo din. Ito, 15-1 to 3, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, Petsa 26, 25 to 40 na este, 8 to 9 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Petsa 27, 18 to 38 na east-northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 28, Sabado, 25 to 41 na northeast, 8 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 29, Linggo. 35 to 58 na northeast, 10 to 13 feet. Yung 13 feet niya sa hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 30, Lunes. 28 to 48 na northeast, 9 to 12 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi pa. Petsa 31, Martes. 25 to 40 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 1, Miyerkules. 25 to 42 na este, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 2, Huwebes. 25 to 41 na este, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 3, Biyernes. 15 to 30 na este, 7 to 8 feet. At Petsa 4, Sabado. 15 to 30 na northeast, 7 feet. Nakopya may kong pogi dyan sa 15-1 to 3. Sige, ingat. Magandang umaga. Ito pare, 16-1 to 4, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, Petsa 26. 32 to 50 na east-northeast, 8 to 10 feet. Yung 8 feet niya mamayang gabi. Bukas Biyernes, Petsa 27. 25 to 43 na este, 8 feet. Petsa 28, Sabado. 25 to 45 na northeast, 8 to 11 feet. Yung 11 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 29, Linggo. 45 to 66 na northeast, 12 to 14 feet. Yung 14 feet niya sa tanghali mag-umpisa. Petsa 30, Lunes. 35 to 56 na northeast, 9 to 12 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi pa yun. Petsa 31, Martes. 30 to 51 na east-northeast, 8 feet. Pizza 1, Miyerkules, 36 to 51 na este, 8 to 9 feet. Pizza 2, Jueves, 32 to 50 na este, 9 feet. Pizza 3, Viernes, 20 to 40 na este, 8 to 9 feet. At Pizza 4, Sabado, 15 to 32 na Northeast, 8 feet na lang din pre-max. Kopya. Kopya, sige pala ingat yan. Ito, 7-10, 1-2-3 ngayong araw ng Huwebes, Pizza 26, 33 to 53 na este, 9 to 10 feet. Yung 9 feet niya, mamayang hapon pa. Bukas, Pizza 27, Biyernes, 28 to 41 na east-northeast, 8 to 9 feet. Pizza 28, Sabado. Sa umaga, 27 to 40 na northeast, 9 feet. Alas 2 ng hapon hanggang gabi, 50 to 71 na northeast, 11 to 15 feet. Pizza 29, Linggo, 50 to 76 na northeast, 13 to 15 feet. Yung 13 feet niya sa gabi pa. Pizza 30, Lunes, 35 to 58 na northeast, 9 to 12 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi pa. Pizza 31, Martes, 35 to 55 na northeast, 8 to 9 feet. Pizza 1, Miyerkules, 38 to 58 na northeast, 9 to 10 feet. Pizza 2, Huwebes, 35 to 58, ganoon din, na este, 9 to 10 feet. Pizza 3, Biyernes, 40 to 60, na este, 10 feet. At Pizza 4, Sabado, 40 to 66, na east-northeast, 9 to 11 feet. Nakopya ang migo pulutan sa 17-1-2-3. Sige. Alam na, Pizza 28, malakas na yan. Ingat. Ito, Wendam, 12-8, yung araw ng Huwebes, Pizza 26, 15 to 35 na northeast, 4 to 6 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pizza 27, 25 to 41 na northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 28, Sabado, 30 to 50 na northeast, 6 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi pa. Pizza 29, Linggo, 35 to 55 na northeast, 9 to 10 feet. Yung 10 feet niya simula madaling araw hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. Pizza 30, Lunes, 20 to 44 na northeast, 6 to 8 feet. Pizza 31, Martes, 15 to 36 na northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 1, Miyerkules, 15 to 34 na northeast, 4 feet. Pizza 2, Huwebes, 15 to 36 na northeast, 4 feet. Pizza 3, Biyernes, 20 to 41 na northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 4, Sabado, 15 to 35 na northeast, 5 to 7 feet. Nakopya may kong white dab din sa 12-1. Kopya, advance sa Pinoy. Ingat may kong white dab. Abantay sa 0713. Sige, Kiliawan, ito. 07128, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, Pizza 26, 23 to 45, este, 7 to 8 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pizza 27, 17 to 36, na este, 7 feet. Pizza 28, Sabado, 15 to 35, na northeast, 6 feet. Fecha 29, Linggo, 15 to 30 na east, northeast, 6 feet. Fecha 30, Lunes, 18 to 38 na este, 6 to 7 feet. Fecha 31, Martes, 15 to 32 na este, 6 to 7 feet. Fecha 1, Miyerkules, 15 to 31 na east, northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Fecha 2, Huwebes, 15 to 30 na east, northeast, 5 feet. Fecha 3, Biyernes, 15 to 31 na este, 5 feet. At fecha 4, Sabado, 15 to 37 na east, northeast, 5 feet pa rin kong kiliawan. Diyan sa 07128, kopya. Sige, walang naman. Ingat lang sila. Ingat. At advance. Happy New Year. Sige, ito. 08129. Ngayong araw ng Webes. Fecha 26 is 25 to 48 na east, northeast, 8 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, fecha 27, 15 to 33 na este, 7 feet. Fecha 28, Sabado, 20 to 41 na este, 6 to 7 feet. Fecha 29, Linggo, 18 to 35 na este, 6 feet. Fecha 30, Lunes, 22 to 42 na este, 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi. Fecha 31, Martes, 15 to 36 na este, 6 to 7 feet. Fecha 1, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na este, 5 to 6 feet. Fecha 2, Huwebes, 17 to 37 na este, 5 to 6 feet. Fecha 3, Biyernes, 17 to 38 na este, 5 feet. At fecha 4, Sabado, 15 to 38 na este, 5 to 6 feet. Nakopya may kong journey dyan sa 08129. Sige. Bigo, ingat. Magandang umaga at hanggang sa pinag